The Vedic Age, Foundations of Indian Civilization. The Vedic Age is one of the most crucial periods in Indian history, spanning from approximately 1500 BC to 500 BC. It is named after the Vedas, the sacred texts of Hinduism, which were composed during this time. The Vedic Age is significant as it laid the foundation for Hindu religious practices, the social structure, and much of Indian culture that has continued for thousands of years. The early Vedic period is often referred to as the Rigvedic period because it was during this time that the Rig Veda, the oldest of the four Vedas, was composed. The early Aryans, who were Indo-European in origin, migrated into the Indian subcontinent and settled mainly in the northwestern regions, the area around the Indus Valley. They initially settled in the region called Sapta Sindhu, the land of seven rivers, which included the Indus and its tributaries. In the early Vedic society, people lived a tribal lifestyle. The primary occupation of the people was cattle herding, and their society was organized into various tribes or janas. The people worshipped nature gods like Indra, Agni, Varuna, and Surya, who were believed to control natural elements like thunder, fire, water, and the sun. The Rig Veda contains hymns dedicated to these deities and describes the cosmology, rituals, and social customs of the period. The political structure in this period was tribal, where the Raja, king, was chosen from among the tribal leaders. The Raja's role was to protect the tribe and lead them in battles. The king also performed religious duties, often offering sacrifices to ensure the well-being of the tribe. As the Vedic age progressed into the later Vedic period, the Aryans moved eastward toward the Ganges and Yamuna rivers, establishing large kingdoms and republics. This transition marked a shift from a pastoral, cattle-herding society to an agricultural society. With this shift, the Aryan society became more complex, and urban centers began to emerge. The later Vedic texts, such as the Yajurveda, Samaveda, and Atharvaveda, were composed during this time. A significant change during the later Vedic period was the development of the Varna system, which later evolved into the caste system. The four major Varnas, or social classes, were Brahmins, priests and scholars; Kshatriyas, warriors and kings; Vaishyas, traders and farmers; Shudras, laborers and service providers. The Upanishads, composed towards the end of the Vedic period, represent a philosophical shift that explored concepts of Brahman, the ultimate reality, and Atman, the individual soul. This was the beginning of Vedanta philosophy, which deeply influenced Hindu thought. Religious foundations. The Vedic age was the time when the core ideas of Hinduism were established, including the worship of a vast array of gods, the concepts of dharma, righteousness, and the significance of rituals like yajnas, sacrifices. The Vedic texts, including the Upanishads, also introduced the idea of spiritual liberation, moksha, and the eternal cycle of life, death, and rebirth, samsara. The Vedic age saw the rise of a more organized social structure based on the Varna system. This social stratification influenced the future caste system. The political landscape also changed, with the establishment of kingdoms, republics, and a more structured system of governance. Science and knowledge. The Vedic texts contain knowledge about astronomy, mathematics, and medicine. The concept of the zodiac, the calculation of time, and the development of the decimal system all find early mentions in the Vedic texts. Language and literature. The Sanskrit language, used in the Vedic texts, is one of the oldest recorded languages in the world. The poetry and hymns of the Vedas laid the foundation for later Indian literature, including epics like the Mahabharata and the Ramayana. Thank you so much for watching today's video till the end. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you found this content helpful and interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Your support motivates us to create more valuable content like this for you. Stay tuned for more informative and engaging videos in the future. Thank you once again for being a part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.